Welcome back. Well, yes, I have royalty in the studio with me. I have the one and only Queen Quet, Chief Priestess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and yes, Elder Carlie Towne of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Both, I tell you, in their own right, royalty. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm so glad for being here. I'm going to do well. How am I going to do today?
I'm doing just fine. As we said, I'm doing great.
Thank you, man.
I hear you cracking teeth like
And
that.
it over.
Yeah,
I'm on patrol, dog.
How about that? Well, listen, folks, it's a pleasure to have Queen Quet and Elder Carlie Towne with me today, because this is world-renowned. What we're talking about, the lady sitting next to me, she has brought attention to the Gullah Geechee culture, the Gullah Geechee Nation, the language, and all throughout the whole world. And people just know you, and I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
Yeah. Well, listen, I know, ladies, we got to crack the teeth later, right? That's right. We're here to talk about the Mosier Arts Festival. I'm going to start with Elder Carlie Towne, because you have the play. It's called Diary from the Neck, Gullah Geechee Mitchell.
Right.
Okay,
Exactly.
that's right. Talk about the play for me.
Okay, yes, the play is about Union Heights, and that's why we call it UNAC. And that's between North Charleston, City of Charleston. Most people know what Union Heights is.
That's right.
And the story is very interesting because it's about 3 generational women. I wanted to bring the issue of women to the plate, you know,
Right.
and let people know exactly what's going on. And these women are all Gullah Geechee women, and they speak in Geechee mostly. Yeah, so you'll be able to understand everything they say. But it's a wonderful story about courage, hope, and inspiration. And we don't plan just to entertain you, but we're going to educate you about the Gullah Geechee culture and the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Isn't that beautiful? Now, this is happening on October the 3rd.
Yes.
And where can folks go? Where will it be held?
Okay, it's going to be at Circular Congregational Church at 150 Meeting Street, and it's 7 to 8 p.m. October 3rd. And they'll be able to get the tickets from Ticketmaster, or either they'll be able to pay at the door.
If any left.
If any left. I hope none left.
Any door.
That's right. Well, you know, that's wonderful. Carlie does such a wonderful job with the plays, especially when it's introducing the Gullah Geechee Nation. And that's the one thing that we want people to understand, because this is a unique history and culture, isn't it, Queen?
Absolutely right. And most times when people live something, they don't study it, and sometimes they don't respect it. They don't realize the treasure they have amongst themselves, where people all around the world, when you get crappy teeth like this, you ain't want to now the rest of it. You understand? And so it's very important that folks come out and celebrate. I mean, and that's what Moja really causes you to do. Really look at yourself and look at your Africanness and celebrate that. And I think with the play, folks gonna come there and then they gonna shout like they ain't been never think about before.
All right. Well, listen, Queen, you also are taking a part with the Mosier Arts Festival. You're doing exhibits, you're doing the schools, and you're also speaking at Heritage Day. Talk about those things.
Most times people see me at Heritage Day walking around, or we have a Gullah Geechee Nation booth, but this year we're going to crack my teeth up while I'm on the stairs at Heritage Day, but welcome to chillin' there. And I'm also going to have an exhibition at the Borough House. It's 35 and 35 and a half Calhoun Street, the Monday through Wednesday, that first week of Moja, from 3 to 7 each evening. Folks can come there, and it is going to be a Gullah Geechee Living Experience exhibition.
Wow.
So they will be right there in the home, and we're going to have artifacts from the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition archive and displays, so they learn the history, but they can see we cook.
Oh,
that way they
right.
can get for cracky teeth with me and things like that. And so we'll have books and CDs and things as well.
That's right. And you know, the one good thing, Queen, is that you give presentations to the schools. You go into the schools and you talk with children about the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Absolutely.
Talk about how you're going to present this to children quickly.
Well, I love it with the children because we do music, we do shouting, we do all of that, and the language. So the children get to do a lot of call and response and take them back to the root of our traditions, but all the time educating them that they live in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So a lot of times the teachers are shocked at the end of the day,
Right.
because they've learned so much of what they need, especially for like 3rd grade South Carolina history class, that they're like, wow, we tried to do this all year and you did it in 1 hour.
Yeah.
And I said, because this is the middle. Yeah, why?
Exactly. You know, you have wonderful exhibits. You have the women's exhibit. You also have the Gullah Geechee Nation exhibit. And you're going to be doing some things in October as well. I got you here, so I mean, you're going to be helping out.
Because see, in October, when I come to the Women and Girls Summit in North Charleston, we are going to bring an exhibit about Gullah Geechee women. and the strength of these women over the generations. And so all the gal children need for come out there. All the mama needs for bring a gal, and all we ladies want to get together, and over 1,500 of we had could be in there together. We could crack me.
That's right. That's what we're going to do. Well, listen, I tell you, I want to thank you so much, Queen. God bless you.
God bless
You know
you.
I love you.
Yes,
Yes, my dear friend Carlie, Elder Carlie Towne. Thank you so much for being on the show. Folks, want you to come out to the Mosier Arts Festival. This is the time, September the 24th through October the 4th, and enjoy the wonderful exhibits. Meet Queen Quet, come to Elder Carlie Towne's presentation, the play, and just have a wonderful time during this Mosier Arts Festival. Get in touch with her, Carlie Towne, at 572-6788. You can also go to Queen Quet's website for the Gullah Geechee Nation at www.officialgullahgeechee.info. And the telephone number you have to dial 843-838-1171 to get in touch with them. Mosier Arts Festival. We'll be right back.
Honey children, this year, the what going on for truth. Now look who we got you. But Miss Tammy McCotry. Sister Tammy, please tell us about your upcoming event in Charleston, South Carolina.
Well, Queen, it is my pleasure to be with you today because we are talking about the National Women and Girls Summit coming to Charleston in October the 16th through the 18th at the North Charleston Convention Center. Now, this is like none other because we are going to have workshops, special celebrity guests, and people just come and enjoy yourself. And plus, it's for the whole weekend.
All right. And so now how do they register for the summit?
What you need to do to register for the summit is please go to our website at www.natlsummit.org. Go to the website and you can register there. Of course, you can do by PayPal, and then we can also send you a registration packet. Now, Queen, I've got to tell you who's coming.
All right.
We have Cheryl Lee Ralph is going to be with us. She's actress, activist. We know her from working with Denzel Washington.
Oh, yeah.
You know her from Moesha as Brandy's mother on Moesha. We also have Harriet Cole, the creative director of Ebony Magazine, who will be with us. Nancy Amanda Red, who wrote the book Body Drama, who was also one of the top finalists for the Miss America pageant. And then we're also going to have Stephanie Jones. Her book is called Enemy Between My Legs. Now, I can't give it all away, folks, because there are going to be some other surprise guests that will be joining us. I'm telling you, it's a weekend filled with the Pink Rally on Friday afternoon, October the 17th. That's for breast cancer awareness, and we want all of our young women and all of our women to come to our reception. So much more, and I tell you, I am just so excited about it.
And gal, you know I excited about them. I could be right there to crack my teeth with the children, to open up thing in the morning time for them, get them Gwine, get that energy Gwine and things like that. And then we got the exhibit on the Gullah Geechee Oman, and we so proud because we know we gonna have to add honor to the Gullah Geechee Oman exhibit because this is Tammy McCotry. A lot of you know her from the Tammy show, but right here today, this year, the what going on. So come on down to Charleston and join we at this year first annual Woman and Gal Summit right here in North Charleston. Now, honey children, this year the what going on for truth.
All right, thank you so much, Queen.
Mm-hmm.